Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, honey ginger baked salmon. I have here center cut salmon fillets, and the marinade is very simple, 4 ingredients only: honey, soy sauce, ginger and garlic. Let's get started. I'm gonna add, I have here in a cup the honey, I'm gonna add the soy sauce, chopped ginger and garlic paste. So I'm gonna add half of this marinade on a plastic bag, and half we're gonna save for a reduction that we're gonna make later on. Insert the salmon fillets in there. Get rid of the air. We're gonna let this marinate for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Next, we're gonna bake the salmon. We're gonna use aluminum foil lined baking tray, and we're gonna bake this for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Can I use a glass bowl to marinate the fish instead of plastic bag?
Sure, you can use the glass bowl. You can just cover with the plastic on top, and it's fine. I just use the plastic bag because I'm used to it.
Okay. Thank you, Chef.
You're very welcome. And into the oven it goes. Meanwhile, we are gonna bring the remaining marinade up to a boil. Then we're gonna reduce the heat and bring it to a simmer until it thickens. Should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Our fish has been baking for 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Look at this. Check this out. With our glaze now, I'm gonna brush some on top of the fish. We're gonna plate the salmon. I have here a simple coleslaw. And check this out, the star of the dish. Our beautiful salmon. And on top of it, some sesame seeds. That's it. I really hope you make this recipe. You will not regret. It's so simple, and the salmon is gonna taste delicious. It's gonna melt in your mouth. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. And also hit the notification button so you're gonna get to know when we post something new. I hope to see you next time. Okay, because now I'm gonna dig into my salmon. Oh my God.